Yesipenko is gonna get hit with the bird. It's not that bad. White is only slightly worse after this move. D5, very good move. Exploiting the fact that I did not put a pawn in the center. Knight a4 is also interesting, no? Let's go to e4. C4 a move? Let's put e3. Oh, maybe that was dumb. Maybe he takes. Like, if he takes this pawn, I'm quite happy. I think I got good compensation, but maybe this is a bit annoying. F2 takes rook b1, knight c3. I'm not sure. But I could have some decent compensation there. Worst case, I can go bishop c1, and I should be only a bit worse. Okay, he chickens out. No, my position is semi-playable at least. But I mean, it's not like it's tremendously exciting. Okay, I was worried about this, but I got bishop e1. I've had positions like this before with both colors, and it's obviously fine for black with the extra space as well, probably even slightly better, but it's quite playable. This threat is a little bit annoying. Rook fe1, I'm allowing knight g4. Which I really don't like. On the other hand, I don't quite see, maybe knight fd2 actually. Here I might have some ideas when knight takes f6, bishop takes b7, and then f5. Let's see. Oh, I had queen e4 in that line. So here, yeah, knight f6. This is quite reasonable. Yeah, bishop b7. Actually, I got several options. Even knight e4, ef, and then here is not crazy. But I just saw that I'd queen e4, and I'm completely fine. f5 here, queen h5, f4, knight e4. It's also not crazy. Queen h5. Let's go for it. Why not? Not convinced though. e4. Gotta admit, I hadn't seen that. this? He's allowing knight d6. He's allowing queen f7. What on earth was that? Yeah, that was complete and utter meltdown on his part. Now I'm just winning. That is the bird. Is the bird about to bring down a very serious competitor here? I mean, I could have gone fe5 now as well with knight f8. What kind of move was that? Just completely over, no? Queen trade, but he's down on exchange. Oh, that was anticlimactic, I gotta say. Bird opening Dutch variation. E3. Yeah, you should take on e4. Double your opponent's pawns. Dumb fuck. Yeah, that was unfair. Okay, here, so f5 is good. Okay, queen h5, f4. I was expecting rook e6. Why is that a blunder? Knight g5. I suck at chess. This move is just wild. Just no words. I mean, you just missed knight d6. It's as simple as that, but here, just take the pawn. c4 not good. Knight d6 again, I can just block. Oh well.